Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this makeup look here, and it's the third look using Riviera palette from Anstasia Beverly Hills. So I'm starting off with the color Coastline and a big fluffy brush from MAC 224 and just applying that color into my crease and smoking it out towards the brow bone.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
So once I'm happy how my transition shade looks, then I'm taking the brown color called Palm and just dabbing that on the outer edge of my eye with a flat brush, and then using the same fluffy brush from before, just trying to blend it out into my crease. So I'm repeating this step a few times just to build the color up, and then using my fluffy brush just to smoke out and just diffuse any harsh lines.
Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.
Next, I'm taking this gorgeous color from the palette Monte Carlo and a brush that comes with the palette, and just running this color over on top of the edges of my transition shade and the brown color I applied before. Next, I'm taking some more of that brown shade and just intensifying the outer V even more. Using flat small synthetic brush, I'm just taking color called Palermo from the palette and just tapping that on the center of my eyelids and really trying to build this color up.
For the people, for the land.
So just to make that color more intense, I'm just spraying some finishing spray on my brush and just repeating the same step, dabbing the color onto my lids with the damp brush, and then I'm going over with my fingers just to add even more pigment on the eyes. Next, I'm taking color Inheritance and just highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, which is going to give me a pop of color as well. After I've finished with my eyeshadows, I'm taking my black gel liner and just doing a winged liner.
Savannah, let's all take a ride.
Also coating my lashes with mascara. Then I'm taking my brown Shiseido Kajal pencil and just applying that into my lower lash line and smoking it out with the brush.
Let's all take a ride.
Next, I'm taking Monte Carlo color to smoke out the brown pencil, also the brown palm color just to add more intensity as well. Adding some gel liner from Inglot 89 into my waterline and doing my face off camera. Next, I'm applying my favorite lashes at the minute. It's the Babydoll lashes in style 723, and what about the difference when you have the lash on? Oh my god, I'm absolutely in love with these lashes. Aren't they just gorgeous? So last step to do is my lips, and for that I'm using Anstasia Beverly Hills Lip palette. I'm starting with a nice brown shade and applying that all over my lips. I'm not using lip pencil this time, and then I'm taking the pink shade from the palette. I'm just mixing it up on top of my brown, and lastly applying some white shade onto center of my lip and adding more dimension by using a lip gloss from Inglot from JLO collection.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
So here is my third finished look using this gorgeous palette, the Anstasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I actually love this look. It's more on the softer side than the other two. It's more blown out look, and it's actually very wearable as well. Yeah, so if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see my future videos, make sure to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'm sure see you in my next video. Bye!